One more way of making wardrobes is with sliding folding solutions. So you have the openable shutter, and then we show you here a solution which is a slide and fold. So I will open the first pair of doors, and you see that this slide and fold opens up to the one side of the cabinet. We also have the possibility to have drawers which can then open up, and you have a good utilization of your wardrobe. Another possibility is to have a slide and fold, as is this the solution, wherein we can have the pair of doors slide and fold freely on the whole rail of the wardrobe. This allows you to have a full access of the wardrobe in the section. It's a male or a female, up to you, and have a complete view of the wardrobe. This solution is called FT2A Freefold, and this one is our standard FT2 solution. The door weight capacity is around 35 kilos, a fantastic solution, especially to have a handle which is exactly in the center of the pair of the doors, for which we have a special adapter. A very interesting solution for those who don't want to have just standard openable doors or a sliding door solution. You have another variant which is the slide and fold. Thank you for listening. Tariq Utturkar.